Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Camon 18p. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your trusted way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty, and now select card you would like to add. For example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Go back and in the end, let's select Gift Card, and similar to Loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.